We're going to just show a little bit of how to convert single-phase electricity to three-phase electricity at a relatively low cost. So this little box here has two fuses, just a little knife connection. 220 single-phase comes in at the top. There's two hot leads coming in, and at the bottom there are two hot leads going into this. Going into the system. The third hot lead goes into this little box here, which has two big capacitors attached to it. And then there's a little switch here. The capacitors are in series, and this switch, when you push it, it makes the connection between that hot lead from here, goes through the capacitors, and then goes back into the system as well. So, show you how it starts up.
You want to talk about the motor here?
Oh, when I say the system, what it is underneath there is a large motor. I'm not exactly sure, I think it's 5 horse, but it's a three-phase induction motor, and the wires are all hooked up to that. So when it gets the three phases from here, I should say the 2 phases and the starting phase, it creates a 3-phase, and I don't know how that works, but it works. So you'll hear the thing start up when I push these buttons. So right now we're creating 3-phase electricity. It's a separate system, of course, separate wiring, and all of my woodworking machines run on 3-phase machines. There's one there, the bandsaw. The table saw runs on 3-phase, and other ones too. So what this is doing is it is making that 3-phase motor start by sending that third line through the system, through those capacitors. That's how the electrician guys tell me anyway. And it's not perfect 3-phase. Apparently there's, as far as you put meters on it, the phases would not be exactly the same, etc. But it's certainly enough to run these machines. And apparently, if you need more electricity, you could just turn on another motor. Just let it idle, so to speak. And then it'll give extra electricity too. Like if you got a motor that's really hard to start or really big or something like that. The third refinement, which I'm thinking of, instead of having this button here, you get a momentary switch for 1 second. It sends that third starting current into it, and then as soon as it's 1 second's up, it stops, but the motor will start it. I haven't gotten to that point yet. That's how it works.